In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sharpen an image in Pixlr using the Pixlr E Editor on your PC browser. This is a super simple way to make your photos look clearer, more detailed, and more professional, without needing advanced editing skills. Whether your image looks a little soft, blurry, or just needs extra crispness, this method can help you improve it in just a few clicks. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy editing guides like this one. Alright, let's jump right in. First, go to the Pixlr E Editor in your browser on your PC. Pixlr works directly online, so you do not need to download heavy software or install anything extra. Once the editor loads, you'll see the main workspace where you can begin editing your image. To get started, click Open Image. This will let you upload the picture you want to sharpen from your computer. Choose the file you want to edit, and Pixlr will bring it into the editor. Once your image is open, take a moment to look at it on the canvas. If it appears slightly soft or lacks detail, sharpening can help bring out edges and make the image look more defined. Now, go to the top menu bar and click Filter. This is where Pixlr keeps many of its image enhancement tools. After clicking Filter, hover over Details in the submenu. You should see the Sharpen option appear there. Click Sharpen, and a sharpening panel will open with controls that let you adjust the effect. The most important setting here is the amount slider. This controls how strong the sharpening effect will be. Move the slider slowly to your preferred clarity level. If you push it too far, the image may start to look unnatural or overly noisy, so it's best to make small adjustments and preview the result as you go. A light sharpen is often enough for portraits, product photos, and social media graphics, while stronger sharpening may work better for images that need a little extra definition. As you adjust the slider, keep an eye on the fine details in the image, like edges, text, hair, or textures. These are usually the areas that benefit most from sharpening. Once you're happy with how the image looks, click Apply to complete the edit. Pixlr will process the adjustment and update your image right away. And that's it. You've now sharpened an image in Pixlr in just a few easy steps. You can now continue editing, save your file, or export it for use on your website, social media, or project. If you found this helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more quick tutorials on Pixlr and other useful editing tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.